Hello once again, Monster Hobbies Model Car Garage Mechanics. Welcome back to another great video. So last week we got to see the heist, and this week we have our officers responding. Well, it didn't really take them a week. Actually took them a few minutes. We have Sergeant Jack Melgoza and Patrolman Sally Taylor at the scene. Shots fired, officer needs assistance, civilian casualties reported, request backup ASAP. Another exciting model kit by Masterbox of the holdup. So, without further ado, let's go assist our officers in the field by checking out this amazing model kit. The stakes run high as Sergeant Jack Melgoza and Patrolman Sally Taylor get ready to combat the criminals from last week with this amazing shots fired, officer needs assistance, civilian casualties reported, request backup ASAP kit from Masterbox, the Heist Series Kit number 1. This kit includes parts for the assembly of 2 figures. This kit is not completed by the model of the car, so you don't get the car, you have to bring your own. Attention, this set requires both glue and paint in order to be completed, which is not included. So again, the artwork on here is wonderful by illustrator V. Pedalin and the sculptor A. Gargagan. Let's try that again. Gagarin. All right, we got it. A. Gagarin. Again, these two guys are excellent. They bring so much to these model kits, and you will enjoy them. Now, just flipping the box over. Ah, boy, some videos you just can't quite get it right. Anyway, here's what the figures look like when they're all put together. Again, really great positioning of them. So you could put these behind one of the police cars. We've got high-powered assault rifle, and we also have our handguns. We've got 2 pistols, so this one's unholstered. And then we've got our parts tree over here, which we'll look at right now. Once again, Masterbox gives us this really highly detailed, very excellent looking parts tree. So we have Sergeant Jack on the one side and Sally Taylor on the other. And again, really cool things. Check out this AK-47 sitting in here. Hopefully I don't get blocked on YouTube for saying all these gun names. We have our pistols and the guns in the holsters. We have Sally's hair right here. She's bald otherwise. But again, really looking cool. Let's bring this up and you can see all the cool looking folds in the clothing, the pockets, squatting position. Again, excellent work on here. Faces look really realistic. They are attached to the parts tree at the very top, so there's no seam line running down the center of them or anything. Hair is great on the back. Wonderful detail. Wonderful kit. If you can add this to your collection, go for it, because it would look amazing in a diorama. Well, I hope you enjoyed this great unboxing video of Sergeant Jack Melgoza and Patrolman Sally Taylor at the Heist. This is series kit number 1. Of course, the second one is the criminals. Shots fired, officer needs assistance, civilian casualties reported, request backup ASAP. Another great kit by Masterbox. So if you really enjoy these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with all your friends and family. And when you subscribe, click that notification bell, turn it to all, so that every time I make a new video, you're the first to see it. And if you enjoy these great model kits and want to get some for your own collection and dioramas, visit us at www.monster-hobbies.ca ASAP. Model kit down, code 11, code Adam, code 411, whatever, all those codes, away we go. And until next time, everybody, keep out of crime, and we'll see you in the next video.